Hello, Victor here from Multifunction Crewe. Today showing you around this Ford Fiesta 1.25 Zetec finished in white color. This hatchback is powered by 82 PS 1.25 litre petrol engine paired with smooth manual transmission, offering efficient and enjoyable drive around town or motorway alike. The Fiesta features sleek chrome accented grille, body colored bumpers and stylish 15-inch alloy wheels, delivering modern and sporty look. Halogen projector headlights with LED daytime running lights ensure excellent visibility, while electrically adjustable and heated door mirrors add convenience. At the back, the body-colored spoiler enhances profile, and the high-mounted rear brake light ensures extra visibility on the road. The heated rear windscreen with wash wipe function is perfect for all seasons. The Fiesta provides practical loading area perfect for everyday essentials. 60/40 split folding rear seats offer added flexibility, making it easy to transport larger items when required. Inside the rear cabin, you will find comfortable seating, height adjustable rear headrest, and ISOFIX mounting points for child seats. Up front, the driver's cockpit features front comfort seats with manual height adjustment. The three-spoke leather-trimmed steering wheel includes multifunction controls for easy access to audio and phone settings. The dashboard layout is simple and modern, with chrome accented details around the air vents and the instrument cluster. On offer is also manual air conditioning system, which ensures comfortable cabin temperature, allowing for easy adjustment to suit different weather conditions. The infotainment system includes DAB digital radio, CD player and external input, ensuring variety of entertainment options. You will also have access to phone connectivity, allowing you to connect your smartphone via Bluetooth for hands-free calling and music streaming. With the Ford Sync settings, this allows you for voice control, ensuring safer operation while driving. Also, in more settings, you can customize driving features such as traction control and hill start assist for added confidence on the road. This has been a presentation of the Ford Fiesta 1.25 Zetec, now available at Multifunction Crewe. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.